Just cutting in quickly to a Concall that is going on Fino Payments Bank. The CFO, Ketan Merchant, is addressing concerns after the MD and CEO, Rishi Gupta, was arrested over the weekend.
Mutually exclusive. That was in context of some of the points which the bank has been working. That was regarding to the bank's GST compliance and nothing to do with this. Here in this context and in this regards, as I mentioned it earlier, there is no liability on the bank to monitor GST. So these are mutually exclusive things. This was, as we understand, because of the GST evasion of a program manager and the duties of which Shailesh just explained. Thank you.
Thank you. You may please press star and 1 to ask questions at this time. The next question is from the line of Ashish Kumar from Infinity Alternatives. Please go ahead.
Hi, thanks for the call, Ketan and team. 2-3 quick questions. A, what is the proportion of the business which came from this program manager? B, can you please confirm, because there's been lots of news and rumors around, that the bank has stopped doing any business with online gaming in line with the ban from the government entities? And C, in terms of the correspondence with RBI, has the regulator raised any concerns at all in relation to governance or the SFB process or any other thing that the regulator could be concerned on? So maybe if you can answer on all three.
Thank you, Ashish. Let me take the third question first. As regards to the SFB planning and any concerns coming from the regulator. See, let us all understand, this is something which is not a normal scenario where a MD and CEO of the bank is alleged for some actions of the program manager. So in this regard, there have been various meetings which have happened across all the levels in the Reserve Bank of India. In our stock exchange disclosure as well, which has gone out early this morning, we have clarified this point, stating that as things stand now, there is no impact whatsoever which we've been made to understand on our SFB plans. We continue to operate on our preparations on an SFB plan, for which we've got a regulatory timelines of 18 months, which came on 5th December onwards. As regards to any other regulatory concerns, I would just like to highlight that despite this news coming across, our liquidity has been intact. I earlier mentioned it about our number of accounts being opened through our channels. This weekend we had slightly ahead, more impetus coming across as well. So all of this has been, RBI has been monitoring. And one thing which you essentially clarified and to the knowledge of RBI, which they are also cognizant of, that this was something which was pertaining to a particular program manager. So all of this taken together, as things stand now, whilst we continue to proactively engage with the Reserve Bank of India, until now we've not seen any kind of messages or something which should concern us in our normal banking operations, and that's how the banking operations are going.
All right. Well, that's Fino, and of course they are giving out the clarifications. Let's see if that too much like the markets has a iffy start and then a bit of bottom buying. Remember, none less than the finance minister has on the social media platform X said that she will check into a complaint, I think, or a sort of a complaint by Mohandas Pai.